Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Copper CRM data sync and export, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Copper CRM account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the data management section. Under data management, select backup and export. Next, you will see options for data backup and export. Click on the backup option to initiate the backup process. You may be prompted to select the type of data you wish to backup. Choose the specific data categories you want to include in your backup. Once you've made your selections, click on the Start Backup button. Wait for the backup process to complete. This may take a few moments. You will receive a notification confirming that your backup is complete. Now, to export your data, return to the Backup and Export section. Click on the Export option. Select the format you would like for your data export. Common formats include CSV or Excel, depending on your preferences. After selecting the format, click on the Export Data button. The export process will begin, and you will be notified when it is finished. Finally, download the exported file to your computer for safekeeping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.